Hi and welcome to this quick tutorial from Android TV boxes. I'm the Bear, and this tutorial is to show you how to take your brand new unit that you've just received, which has got nothing on it apart from XBMC, and turn it into a streaming solution to work with all the latest content online. So we're going to get underway straight away now. So as you can see, this is a stock install of XBMC. This is version 13.1 of Gotham, and I am running this on a Windows device, but this tutorial works on absolutely any device regardless of operating system, providing you've got XBMC. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to install some sources. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to System, File Manager. The first one we're going to install is Fusion. Okay, now a lot of people say, oh my god, I don't like this, and you know, I don't like Fusion. You shouldn't use Fusion, it's really crap. Fusion is actually not too bad. At the end of the day, all it does is it just sets your machine up with the really basic add-ons to get you up and running really quickly, and then you can install some additional ones. So start again. System, File Manager. On the left hand side, double click on Add Source, or indeed just press Enter on it, or OK, depending on which device you're using. It'll bring up an Add Files source. Where it says None, press OK to bring up a prompt. And what you want to enter is http://fusion.xbmchub.com. Okay, now I will put this in the detail section below. Press Done. Go down to a name, and I'm just going to enter .fu for Fusion. The dot puts it at the highest entry in the list. Press OK. Now if that fails, you will get an error message, but if you go into it you can actually review the contents. Now here you'll actually it'll say start here. Don't do that, we need to install this the proper way. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the main screen. We're going to go to System, Add-ons. Whilst we're here, we're now going to go to Install from Zip File. This is going to bring the blade up from the right hand side. You'll see that the .fu is there at the top of the list. We're going to open that up. We're going to go down to Start Here. Fusion have made it really simple to follow. Start Here signifies you should start here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to install the Hub Wizard. Now the Hub Wizard is a program that will configure your machine to have the latest add-ons that Fusion recommends you should use. Things like One Channel, Yiffy. You'll also have, I think, Go Movies, Go TV, but we'll find out in a second when we run it. So, bottom right hand corner, you saw there it popped up and said the config wizard is now enabled. So what we can do is go back to the main screen, go to Programs, and you'll see under Program Add-ons, Config Wizard. Config Wizard is going to run, and it's going to then ask you to select which version of the box that you've got. Now, because I'm running a Windows device here to record this, I am just going to press Windows. Please select the one for your device. Mac if you've got a Mac, Windows if you're on a laptop or a PC, Ouya is your little gaming device, Android if it is any of your Android devices, use Android. iDevices is your iOS, your iPhone. Your Apple TV 2 is obviously your Apple TV 2. Pivos is your Pivos device. Matricom is, well, the Matricom G-Box MX2, which is the official device. If it doesn't say Matricom G-Box MX2, it's not a Matricom box. You've got Linux, but it's not the OpenELEC version, and then obviously there's a one-channel update. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, as I say, install Windows. You will get exactly the same content regardless. It asks you if you want to customize your selection. If you say yes, it will then start to do its thing. If you say no, it will just basically stop. So what it's doing right now is it's gone online, it's downloading a zip file. I've reviewed how this application works, and what it's doing is it's downloading a single zip file to your device. When it then gets that zip file completed at 100%, it's going to explode it into your XBMC directory, which is basically going to set everything up. It's a really simple way of doing it, and it stops you having to go in and manually setting all your repos up, adding the package itself, waiting for it to update. This does it for you, and it's really quick. As you can see, my connection here is a 40 megabit fiber connection, and I mean, it didn't take long at all. I think the file is about 100 meg. So once that's done, you see the background has now changed. It's HBMC Hub Custom Wizard Edition. There's loads of content now on here. If we go to videos, you'll see that there's a number of add-ons. If we go to the actual video add-on section, there are loads, and you can literally get started now with it. However, there's more. What we want to do is we want to install Mashup. So from here, we're going to go back to Programs, System, File Manager. We're going to add a source, same way as we did before. The path is going to be http://install.mashupxbmc.com. The name is going to be .mu. Again, puts it at the highest point in the list. OK. If it fails, you'll get an error message. And while we're here, we might as well add Xfinity as well. Xfinity is for the iStream components. So we're going to go, source is, I've got to remember this, it's xfinity.zunitytalk.com, name it .xu, and OK. So what we're going to do is we're going to install Mashup. So we go System, Add-ons, install from zip file, go to .mu. Okay, I want to install the repository because then I can guarantee that I'm going to get updates. That's installing the repository. Whilst I'm here, I might as well install the Xfinity one as well. So we're going to go to the Zunity update, the .xu, and I'm going to go to the Zunity Talk repo, and I'm going to install that. Now that's installed the repositories. Now the repository is basically an update that will allow you to, it's a package that's installed that will allow you to update your add-ons for you automatically. If you install the add-ons without a repository, then they'll never get updated. It doesn't know how to check in and say that there's an update. So on your historical devices like your Windows laptop, and you have an update, Windows Update automatically appears and says there are new updates, you need to click them to install. With installing a repo on XBMC, what happens is it checks in to say, there's an update, and it pushes it for you straight away. You can turn it off, but everyone keeps it on because you guarantee that you get the latest fixes and the latest changes. So now that I've installed those repositories, I'm going to actually install the add-ons. So I'm going to go to Get Add-ons. Okay, I'm going to go to All Add-ons by Mash. I'm then going to go to Video Add-ons. Click on Mashup. Install. That's going to download its packages. In a second, you'll see in the bottom right hand corner, Mashup add-on enabled. I'm then going to go back up twice. I'm going to go to the Zunity Talk repository, video add-ons, and I'm going to scroll down to iStream. Now, because this is Gotham, I'm not going to install the Zunity installer, which will install a custom skin, manage the skin for me, and add menu systems. Because Gotham doesn't have much support at the moment for the Zunity skins, I'm not doing that. I'm going to go back to the main screen, and I'm going to show you that these are now installed. Mashup is there now. Before it wasn't there. You get a message up to say that there have been an update, and there it is. Now it's collecting the information from the internet, so this video menu system takes a few seconds to compile the first time. And also I have iStream. That's it. And that's it. It's really simple to do. All you need to do is you need to make sure that you follow the steps and know the addresses that you're going to. So if you look in the details below, you'll see the information that you need. Mashup wants to push a video for Dixie, so I've got to allow that through, which is a pain in the neck, especially as TV Dixie or TV Guide is now a chargeable subscription. Why they're showing that, I don't know. So that's it. We now have a working XBMC with plugins, Mashup, iStream. If you review the rest of my videos, you'll see how to add additional menus into Mashup. You'll also see how to add Kizza's playlist. You need to add Kiz's playlist to your system. It's the best playlist on the market at the moment, which gives you direct access to live streams, including sports, TV shows, and also a lot of movies as well. Come find us on Facebook at Android TV Boxes. That's BOXES. Also, come and say hello to us and the entire XBMC community. There's about 2,000 of us. I say the entire XBMC community because that's huge. The entire XBMC user Facebook community. We are a group of people that basically help you with any problems that you have with XBMC. We're not employed by XBMC, but you will find a few XBMC developers. So we're XBMC users. Details are again in the section below, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, take care.